The master bedroom has some nice light, and there are a couple of closets here. One is the original double closet. It slides. You can see how deep that is. So there's plenty of space there. And then they added on the ensuite bath, which has comfort height counters and double sinks, and nice shower. And then they attached the laundry room, and here between the laundry you have the pocket door that's hidden away, so you can close that off. And then you have your laundry right here off the master. This door actually goes to the outside, so you can access it right off of the laundry room, the master bath. So it almost serves as like a little mud room. You have cabinetry over top of the laundry, so you can store the things there. And then it's got a great walk-in closet. So you can see it's got shelves, so you can store all your shoes, and a place to hang things as well, and plenty of space for the top to store things.